Now, your first warm weather forecast with meteorologist Joey Marino.
Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you're having a great start to your Wednesday. Yesterday's rain did leave a decent amount of accumulations across the area, stretching from Sterling, which ended up with the most at 0.67 inches, down to Rockford, which recorded 0.35 inches of rainfall. Now, this morning, a much different start to our day as we are waking up to some sunshine. No need for the rain gear as you walk out the door this morning. Taking a live look at a Mercy Health SkyTrack camera this morning overlooking the airport down in Rochelle. You can see high clouds above, but still some sunshine peeking through the cloud cover this morning. Temperatures are starting to warm with that sunshine as we did drop down into the upper 30s. Now, most locations getting into the low 40s. Now, 40 degrees here in Rockford, 36 up in Janesville, 39 in Freeport, 41 in Monroe, and 40 degrees down in Rochelle. Winds are much lighter this morning. You can see 3 miles per hour in Freeport, 6 here in Rockford, calm up in Janesville, and calm also out in Savannah. Satellite radar, nothing to report just yet. We are looking at quiet conditions for the start of our Wednesday with a mix of clouds and sun. Fortunately, like I said, we're not dealing with any rain this morning. We're dealing with some sunshine. And in fact, the sunshine is here to stay going into the afternoon. And that's all because of this high pressure system that is currently over the Central Plains. Now, if you look a little bit to the north of that high pressure system, we do have a cold front that extends throughout the upper Midwest. That's the cold front that's going to be bringing in the cooler air as we head into Mother's Day weekend, because as we go into Thursday night and Friday morning, that cold front is going to be passing through. It is going to be moisture starved, so we're not going to be looking at any showers with this cold front. But behind the cold front is very cold and dry air. You can see that the core of this cold air mass is going to be to our northeast in southern Canada. But as we go into the rest of our Friday and also into our Saturday, that cold air is just going to continue to filter into much of the eastern United States, including the state line, and the core of that air mass still staying to our northeast. But we're talking temperatures about 15 to 20 degrees below average. We're going to see highs in the low 50s Friday, then for Saturday, Mother's Day, in the upper 50s. But if you have any vegetation out in your yard, just make sure to cover them, especially Friday night into Saturday morning. We're not going to be talking about any frost going into tomorrow night and Friday morning, but Saturday morning is when we're looking at a freeze being likely, and that could bring harm to any crops or any vegetation that you have outside your yard. Just make sure that they are covered heading into the weekend. But we are looking at a drier day today and a much warmer one. Temperatures in the low 60s going into this afternoon. Now, there'll be a little bit more cloud cover as we head into this evening. There's a chance for an isolated shower, but once those chances end, we're going to continue to stay dry going into the night tonight. Temperatures will be seasonably cool by tomorrow morning. We're looking at lows in the low 40s, but then another day tomorrow with temperatures in the low 60s with a mix of clouds and sun. There'll be a couple of showers passing to our south, but we could see an isolated shower during the afternoon, but another day tomorrow to get outside. Now, today, 63 degrees, a mix of clouds and sun. An isolated late day shower is possible tonight. Besides that evening shower, we do stay partly cloudy, and we'll see lows in the low 40s. Now, the 7-day forecast today and tomorrow feature low 60s and some sunshine. We do stick with sunshine heading into Friday and Saturday. Unfortunately, cooler weather for Mother's Day weekend, but just plenty of opportunities to enjoy the outdoors there, Elliot.
Yeah, I see a lot of sun there. That's great. Thanks a lot, Joey.